Okay guys, I'm going to start my class. Okay, so right now we do partnership account. So now before that, of course, okay, we learn the specific terms first lah, okay, for partnership. So in here you can see a partnership, okay, is a business in which two or more people working together as owners, okay, with a view to making profit. Two or more people, okay, so like I said just now, normally there will be two people or two person, but for partnership you can have more than that. Okay, there is a limit. Okay, as you can see, the next one is usually there are no more than 20 partners in a partnership. So which means by looking at the maths, it's going to be more than 2 and less than 20. So you are going to have such a partnership member. So this is so-called a partnership, and then you have a view of making profit, which means this is a profit maximization. Okay, which means they work together and they make profit.